I am Michael, the owner of Stretch. Today we are in our office where we efficiently send all of our high-quality products to our valued partners in a timely manner. Stretch is a young, dynamic and fast-growing company specialized in stretch ceiling systems. We deliver that to installation companies which are primarily specialized in interior works. We try to be a true partner for our customer. If there are specific problems on a construction site that are a bit more complex, we try to find solutions for them. I come from my father's company myself. My father also has a company in spanplafonds, but more towards installations. I worked there for 5 years and gained some experience there. I will convey that to my people, but also to our partners. We currently have partners throughout Europe. Our objective is to expand and establish a physical presence in every country within the region, and also in the future over the water, where we already have some projects, but we still want to grow further there.